So this morning we had the live stream. We made some money. We did some stuff. We had some fun. And I ended up going to the gym. And then I came back for the 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock end of day action in the markets. You're going to see it all live right here. Pretty much like that last 30 minutes, some insane moves. At one point, I was up like $1,000. Then I basically got back to like break even. And then I was like, well, what do I do? And then all of a sudden, the market just went whoop, and then ripped back up. And then it dumped again. Oh, you know, it's always the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda. But we still locked in some good profit here and closing out the day in the green. But man, what a wild ride. You got to love it sometimes. You got to love it. I'm going to show you guys the trades and all that fun stuff right here in this video. So make sure you stay tuned.
Yeah.
Looking for an end of day squeeze here from the 78s above the 90s. Can we get it? Market trying to push up here end of day. Get a squeeze going. Get above that 85, 86s, and then push to the 90s. Giving a little bit of time here. We got the last 15 minutes of the market open. Or the market closing. 15 minutes till the market closes here. Watching the 78 level with my stop at the 73s. See if we can't squeeze above that 85, 86 level. Push up to the VWAP. VWAP at the 91s right now, which is that 90 level resistance there. 85s needs to get taken out. 85s taken out. We can go 90s, baby. Pushing 85s now. Looking to see if we can get this through the 90s here end of day. Moving my stop up to the 76s now, so only risking 300. Let's see if we can get this push up 90s or higher. That 90 area is previous resistance there. You can see all that resistance there at the 90s. So thinking we squeeze up there. The book map right now looking good for a squeeze through that 90 level. We got the VWAP at the 91s through 90s. Looking for a push through 90s. Going to move my stop to break even now. See if we can't get this to push all the way through the 90s here end of day. We got 13 minutes till the market closes. 85s acting as resistance, but I think we just get through that 86, 87 level. We go 90s quickly. Oh, 350 algorithm coming through right now. We're going to get stopped out. Come on. Don't do that to me. I'm going to move my stop down here a little bit. I'm going to risk 500 here. Just so I don't get stopped out. Some stupid algorithm run here. Running stops end of day. I'm going to move my stop to 77s here. If we get stopped out, I'm going to get short. This might just start selling here end of day. We're right above that pivot on the SPY. Maybe get down there to the 60s again. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. If you want to learn more about Top Step, the Top Step Combine, how it works, the funded accounts and all that, there's plenty of videos right here on the channel, but also there's a link for a 20% discount to sign up for Top Step. The cool thing about Top Step is you prove that you're profitable, you follow the rules, and then you get a funded account and you get 90% of your profits paid out. It might say some of the videos on their website say 80, but they've changed the rules now. They're getting better and better with the rules and easier, I guess, you know, rules wise. And well, if you guys want to learn more, there's a link, like I said, 20% somewhere. There's a link somewhere. Looking like she really wants to go up again. Oh, what an insane move. Looking to see if we can push above the 90s here now, finally. Look at this thing. Look at it go. Oh my gosh. 88's coming up, looking for 90 push. It's going to move my stop to break even at this point. Let's just let it ride. Either we're breaking 90s or we're getting stopped out. End of day madness. Pushing up there to almost the 90s. 89.50. So how far? Can we go through the 90s here? Look to sell a little bit through the 90s. Trying to push 90 right there. Pushing 90s, pushing 90s. I think we can get more of a pop though. Let's see if we get over the 90 level here. Push through that 90 level strong. Come on. Squeeze it up. End of day squeeze. There we go. Up to the 92s now. Beautiful. I'm going to look for 95s, 96s here. There's the 94s coming up. There we go. 95. Taking some profit there. Looking for more. Let's go for 96s here. There we go, 95. We got one contract left here. Looking for a push up to maybe the 700s now, or 97s. I'm going to put my stop right here at the 91s, guaranteeing at least $612 in profit. But let's see if we can push up to the 97s all the way. Up there to the 700s. Come on, come on, come on. 96s, once again, getting touched. 96s, looking for more. 97s. I'm going to move my, I'm sitting at $600 guaranteed profit there, so I'm just going to let it ride and see if we can't get another big spike up. There, we're getting stopped out. Red candles. Let's see. Do we get a better green candle to come in here? Watch in. I'm going to get short right here, I think. I think we go lower. Down to the, possibly down to the low 70s here. 75, take some off right there. 75, take another one off right there just to lock it in. Put my stop right here to break even, basically. Beautiful. Down to the 73s. Can we get all the way to the 70s here? Let's see. Get this break below that low there at the 73s. Get down to the 70s. Watching the 74 level. I got my break even stop, so we can't lose either way. But we'd like to see maybe get a break down below that 73s, down to the 70s, maybe even into the 60s here at the end of day. Got about 3 minutes left. And we might get stopped here. Let's see. There's some buyers sitting at the 74s right now on the book map. Can see them pretty heavy sitting there. Will they sell through? Oh, my stop just getting flirted with. They're tickling my stop right now. Tickling it. Absolutely tickling my stop. 74s. Can we get the breakthrough 74s down to the 70s here? Down to the 74s again. Do we break 74? Get down to the low 70s. Got about 2 minutes here till the market closes. And looking, 74, 74s. 74s holding right now. Break through the 74s. Come on. Break it. Who's buying 74s right now? Who's buying 74s? Who is it? I'm going to go ahead and just cover right there. I don't like that we're only 2 minutes away from the close, so this thing could just kind of do something stupid and chop around or maybe just squeeze around. Who knows? But, yeah, I'm not going to risk it that last minute or so with the market closing here. We bounced off that 74s again. Let's see. Did we break 73? Talk about a dump. Honestly, look at that dump. Freaking A, man. That dump from the 97s down to 70s now. There it is. 69, 68s. And market getting ready to close here. So there's that move down to the 68s. Little push back up 70s now. But wow, look at this move from the 78s up there to 97 and then just sell, sell, sell. And there we go. Market about to close here. Look at that thing moving. Look at that thing moving right now. And market is now closed.
Yeah.